why was I failing. So what I did was go to all those videos where they talk about how they made their $900, $1,000 on their first day of Shopify, or like how some new seller, noob like me, made 10,000 per month, whatever like that. So I watched all of those videos, and here's what I found, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. And then I applied it to myself. What do you know? I now have 2 successful stores. Yo, what's going on, you guys? I'm finally back after 3 weeks of not uploading, and today, and I thought, what better way to make a return than upload the most valuable thing I've learned through my Shopify experience. Because as you guys know, I started out as a beginner. You guys can actually go back to my YouTube video and like go back, and you can see how my Shopify stores failed and everything, and I started in January 2018. So again, this whole purpose of the channel was to document my process and teach you guys as I go through it. And I think this is the only video you're gonna be needing, and after this there's no way you guys can fail, and you're gonna finally start succeeding. And if you have experienced failure, then I'm gonna be telling you guys why you did, and why I also failed and lost a lot of money, and how you just need this tip, and how it's literally so simple to make money on Shopify. I know you've probably heard it a lot of time, but it actually is. And maybe you've heard the advice before, which I'm gonna be telling you guys, but not applied it. But again, take this video seriously, apply this, and there's no way you guys can fail. And one more thing, if you guys enjoyed this video and find value in it, please leave a like, because it's my most important video, and I want to share it with as many people as possible. So leave a like and subscribe if you're new. But yeah, guys, let's jump right into it. So if you were like me and you probably started a store, whatever, you probably did your product research either by going to AliExpress looking for products, or going to Facebook, or whatever it is, some sort of product research method. Maybe you went to Pegsta or all those online websites that you see where you can find products for free, whatever. And then after you find your product, probably a niche store, but my first store was a niche store because that's what I was told, that you need to make a niche store because people are passionate about it, so they're more likely to buy it. But anyways, then after that you probably made an ad, and most likely it looked something like this, where you have text and then you had emojis, and then at the bottom you had more text. And yeah, so you probably advertise it to some page with over 2% engagement rate. And this is really important. Again, you probably spend a lot of time on your website like I did. I imported a ton of products in the same niche to make it look all official, and then edit the description, edit everything. And then again, for the ad, I wrote the ad copy. So again, I put in a lot of time in advertising, making an ad copy, making sure that everything's fine. Even on Facebook ads, I did some Facebook ads and like targeting and everything like that, and then make sure the website's legit, only to fail after that and lose a lot of money. I lost like $350 on my first store, so it was pretty ridiculous. And if you're like me, a lot of people fail on their first store, and I actually failed on my second store too. This is actually pretty recent, like 4 or 5 months ago, because again, my first store started in January. So again, my second store failed, and I thought to myself, what was it that I was doing wrong? Why was I failing? So what I did was go to all those videos where they talk about how they made their $900, $1,000 on their first day of Shopify, or like how some new seller, noob like me, made 10,000 per month, whatever like that. So I watched all of those videos, and here's what I found, and I want to share it with you guys. And then I applied it to myself. What do you know? I now have 2 successful stores. So yeah, guys, it's so yeah, I realized how simple it was, and I want to share it with you guys. And again, apply this technique and you should be good. So I'm gonna jump into the whiteboard now. Okay, the drawing is gonna be terrible. It's not gonna be like this because I don't have time right now. I just want to share it with you guys. So anyways, all you gotta do is, again, it's really simple. All you have to do is just wait and just use Instagram. You probably use Instagram a lot if you're an average teen. Like people spend a lot of time on Instagram. So that's all you have to do. Just do whatever you're doing and go to the explore feed. Follow big meme pages, which you probably are. Follow big pages, and you probably notice like there's some products that you keep seeing on Instagram. and you're probably gonna see products that keep on being advertised to you, not from Instagram ads but through influencer ads. And there's probably some trending product going on, and you see it on different meme pages. And if you see it on different meme pages, if you see more than twice, then that's how you know it's successful. Because again, no one advertises a product if it's not making money, especially if it's a bigger page, not a like page with 50 followers. If they have a lot of followers and people are advertising to that page, then that means they're making money. So once you see that product, all you gotta do is pat yourself on the back, because you basically find your first successful store. Because now all you have to do is go to their website, your competitor's website, see how their description is, see how their website is structured, all of that. See how their ad copy was, what was the ad about, what was the picture used, and everything like that. And then all you have to do from there is replicate the exact same thing. So again, quickly make your website, but I'm not saying copy it, but again, just like see what they're doing and try to replicate it and make the website. It's really simple. I wouldn't say spend more than 2 hours on the website, and then from there see what their ad copy was and do the same thing. Make a similar picture, take a similar picture, whatever, and then caption it similarly. See what their like main selling point is. So let's say if it's an anti-aging cream, they're probably emphasizing on the anti-aging part. So get inspired from the ad copy. Again, you're literally not using your brain, because you have everything given to you: the ad copy, the pictures, the website, and you're guaranteed success because you know the product is working because it's being advertised to you over and over again. And then what you have to do from there is go to Google Trends, search the keyword. So I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. Okay, let's say you keep seeing the fidget spinner. I remember when I saw the fidget spinner, and I wish I knew about dropshipping back then, because I would have made a ton of money. But anyways, fidget spinner. Again, you've probably seen this product on Instagram and trending. That's why you kept seeing it, because a lot of people advertised it. There was a lot of competition, which is actually good, because that means the product is being sold. So anyways, you probably see something like this where the graph is going up from, it was probably somewhere here, and then it's going up, and there's usually some dotted lines. That's even better, because that means the product is gonna get more searches over time, the next month, whatever. But if you see a product that's going downhill and you see dotted lines that are going downhill, then don't sell the product, because that means it's the end of the trend. But anyways, from there, all you have to do is go to AliExpress, see how many orders they're getting. Most probably a lot of orders. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Once you find that out, you know it's a successful product, you know people are making money, and if you replicate the same thing, of course you're gonna make money. Why can't you make money if other people are making money? And yeah guys, it's literally that simple. You don't have to focus on anything else. You don't have to find the product, do a lot of product research, or like worry about what you're gonna write in your ad, because literally everything is given to you. All you have to do is just take action. That's it. And that's how I got my first successful product, and I'm actually gonna make a video about it on how I got my first successful store. It's basically the same thing, but I'm gonna show it to you guys in action, so you guys can believe me when I say that making money on Shopify is so easy. And that's the store I realized it was, and I went on to make another store, and what do you know, it's successful too, because other people are making money, especially if they're advertising on bigger pages like 1 million, 2 million, then it's super successful. Because I realized that when I got my first successful product, I advertised it to smaller pages, and then once I realized I'm making money from them, I want to scale, so that's when I reached the bigger pages. So I wouldn't go to the bigger pages directly. I would only go if I'm already making money. So if you see a product on a bigger page, like a million or whatever, then it's a 100% home run. Probably seen the videos of how I made my $900 on the first day, and again, this talk about this stuff where they saw this product trending. But maybe you haven't taken action like me. I didn't. I just saw those videos and I did nothing about them. But yeah, guys, let me know if you guys have any comments, and leave some suggestions down below what you guys would like to learn, or if you guys have any questions, because I need some videos idea. And what better way is it than to ask your own audience what they want to see, and I'll 100% do it or answer your question. So yeah guys, subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna start uploading consistently. First, I'm gonna start off by uploading every other day, and then move to daily upload. And yeah guys, I'm out.